Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jen. This is Just Jen's Things. These are the things that make me smile. We're back in my loft today, and you guys, we have a perfume unboxing. My order from Aroma Concepts finally went ahead and came in today. I am so excited. Well, I think it came in like yesterday or something, maybe. I don't know, guys. I've been super busy with my mom, but it came in! I'm so excited. You guys, so we are going to unbox the Dubai Chocolate Perfume from, I'm so excited, you guys. I can't even think. But if you love fragrance videos, you guys are in the right place. I make a lot of fragrance videos, everything from Bath and Body Works to affordable perfumes to Middle Eastern perfumes and all kinds of content in between. So please hit subscribe, give me a big thumbs up on this video. Go ahead and comment and share. It really helps the algorithm and helps get my videos out to more people. But guys, let's jump right on in to Dubai Chocolate. Okay, you guys, it's here. Okay, so I went ahead and I ordered and bought and paid for the Dubai Chocolate. It is the Pistachio Kunafa by Enfar 1950. It is in 80 ml, so it's 2.7 fluid ounces, guys, and it is an extract de parfum, okay? I ordered mine, guys, off of the, what was it? The Aroma Concept TikTok shop. So I went ahead and ordered mine there. But if you are interested, I am an affiliate, and down below you guys can find an affiliate code for the Aroma Concepts website, which will go ahead and save you guys some money too. But no pressure, there's so many different places to go ahead and to pick up your Aroma Concepts. They're really cool brand, and I am so excited about this one. Okay, so I'm breaking the seal, you guys. I'm breaking the seal. I am so excited, and it came in fairly fast too. And there's been so much on TikTok, guys, about this perfume and everywhere else. I wish that I had gotten the PR package, guys, but I didn't. I didn't get the PR package. I paid for this with my own money, but I had to have it in the collection because, you guys, I want to pair so many things with this perfume from like Bath and Body Works. Like, you guys have no clue, guys. But we're gonna unbox this. We're gonna sniff it, and we're gonna go ahead and think about a little bit of pairing. So here's the top, guys. I just opened it. I'm so stinking excited about this perfume, you guys. It's packaged really well. And there is the green. It is so, so bright. Look at it, you guys. I'm so excited. And it's heavy. It is heavy. It's a lot heavier than I thought it was gonna be, okay? It really, really is. So I love the color. You guys, as soon as I saw the color, I was like, oh my gosh, I need that on my shelf. I need to smell that. I need to experience that, because this is like everything to me that I want because I love color. But I am gonna go ahead and I'm gonna read the notes to you. I have my trusty laptop. This is the Pistachio Kunafa. The top notes, guys, are pistachio, kunafa, nuts, and caramel, which, hello, bring it on. The middle notes are tonka and cardamom. And then the base notes are chocolate, amber, vanilla, and powdery. So like powdery notes. But how exciting! I'm just like, I cannot control myself. So you guys, they are talking about on the Aroma Concepts website that this is a luxurious essence of Dubai Chocolate Pistachio Kunafa. It's a fragrance that encapsulates the richness of Middle Eastern desserts with a modern gourmet twist. That is right up my alley. So guys, I do have my little trusty scent sticks that just happen to be from Bath & Body Works, but it's okay, guys. Let's go ahead and test her on some paper. Love it. Love it. Very nice, heavy, heavy cap. Very excited for that. Let's go ahead and test her atomizer. Ooh, she's a lot wider than I thought she was gonna be. Ooh. Okay, guys, okay. Okay, I see what you're doing there. Okay. She's pretty. She's pretty, she's light. She's a lot lighter than I thought she was gonna be. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I thought she was gonna be a lot stronger. But she's light. I am picking up more of like the tonka, vanilla, powdery, not too much pistachio, maybe a little bit. I just picked up on the notes, not the notes, the nuts, guys. I'm not picking up a lot of pistachio yet though. But let's go ahead and spray her on some skin. I like her atomizer though. Her atomizer is really nice. Wow. Okay, so even on my skin, guys, I am picking up a lot more of a nut. Yeah, I pick up a lot of nuts, guys. It's kind of like a very well blended, it is like definitely or gourmand. It's not as dessert leaning as I was kind of wanting, but it's very, very wearable. Yeah, guys, it's really good. It's like a light enough vanilla, gourmand, nutty. There's a slight pistachio right now. I'm not picking up any chocolate yet, but we'll continue to go ahead and see as she like wears a little bit. She's different. She is very different than what I was expecting. I was expecting a very like sweet chocolate pistachio. I was really expecting that. I'm not sure what Kunafa would really smell like, but she's pretty. I mean, she's pretty. And I think she's good for spring. Okay, so do I like her? Yes, I like her. She is a lot lighter than kind of what I was expecting. So when you compare her to Twisted Pistachio, this Twisted Pistachio, you like pick up on the pistachio a little bit faster, guys, than on the Dubai Chocolate. On the Dubai Chocolate, I still kind of smell just more like vanilla and nut. I don't know. I can only compare like what I have already, guys, in my collection. So I'm going to compare her against the Bath & Body Works Pistachio Glaze. This is the pistachio cream, toasted vanilla, and sugared patchouli. And I like patchouli, guys. I'm one of those weird people where I love patchouli. Yeah, see, even on this one, I kind of pick up more pistachio first. I have one other pistachio one I kind of want to smell too. Let's go ahead. Where did I put that? Here, I'm gonna do this one right here. Okay, this is that pistachio macaroon from, what is that? Bougie Secure? I don't know, guys. It was from the TJ Maxx. Yeah, this is sweeter and more like perfumey. I don't have a lot, guys, of like pistachio scents in my collection. I wish, and I really had wanted to have the pistachio like body cream to kind of like test out with her. And I may do that still. I may still go like maybe this weekend or something. And if there's a good enough coupon, because there's no sales going on for me to go ahead and pick up that darn body cream. But let's go ahead and test these out. So this one is the, here, I'll do it this way. This one is the Dubai Chocolate. And then this one is that one up there, the pistachio macaroon. I don't know, guys. I mean, I want to love her. I really want to love her. I love the atomizer. I think she's going to be really good for layering. I'm not picking up chocolate at all. It's not sweet. It's not sweet. I'm really trying here, guys. I'm really trying here. So indulge in the luscious. This chocolate perfume is perfect for those who adore sweet gourmand fragrances. Dubai Chocolate Pistachio Kunafa is both ideal for men and women who want to make a statement. And then they're talking about wearing it for special occasions, evening wear, cozy nights in. I would say that this perfume, guys, is more a skin scent. And I would say that it's more for like just cozy every day. I mean, I like it. It's nice, but all I can think about is it kind of reminds me of vanilla macadamia nut from like Victoria's Secret. Let me grab that one. The Dubai Chocolate from Anfar Pistachio Kunafa. I'm gonna go ahead and test it on this and see if it kind of is very similar. So let's do this, because this is what my brain said it kind of smelled like. So this one, we're gonna go ahead and put the Victoria's Secret Vanilla Bean Macadamia. Here we go. And now on this one, this is a new one, we're gonna put the pistachio. I have things falling all over me, guys. We're gonna, don't fall, computer, I mean it. Let's try, go ahead and do this. It's so hot up here and I cannot get my air conditioner to not. Yeah. Okay. This one is the Victoria's Secret. This one, guys, is the Dubai Chocolate. They're the same thing. Yeah. To my nose, and you guys, I am just an average 42-year-old woman, guys, who has a very average nose, and my average nose likes very basic things, and my average nose, guys, doesn't pick up a lot of crazy scents. I do love Middle Eastern fragrances. This is gonna pair perfect, guys, with the Dubai Chocolate. And this is the Victoria's Secret, and this is vanilla bean and macadamia, and I don't remember what else, but this is that Victoria's Secret 24-hour hydrating, I don't know, guys, lotion, whatever. They're like identical. They are almost identical, guys. They smell so similar. To be honest with you guys, and I am totally 100% honest with you guys. I know you guys, but my nose can't tell the difference. They smell exactly the same to me. So guys, those are my first impressions. I do need to play around with them a little bit more. You guys know that. I will go ahead and have another video in about like a week or maybe 2 weeks, guys, talking about what I paired with her and what combos I did. And then in a month, I will have my 1 month final thoughts and review. But that is my first impressions, guys. Now, let me go ahead and say, I would go ahead and say that I still want to give her some time to settle from shipping a little bit. I don't really pick up chocolate, guys. So if you're really thinking she's gonna smell really chocolatey, she's not. To the average nose, I don't pick up chocolate. Now, one scent that I pick up like a lot of chocolate in, that chocolate mint, guys, from a couple years ago from Victoria's Secret, that like winter one that they came out with, that one was a lot of chocolate. This I mostly just pick up, guys, on the maybe tonka, nuts, and vanilla powdery. I haven't been able to pick up any of the caramel, haven't really been able to pick up like pistachio or the chocolate. You guys also have to know, a couple of weeks ago though, we were dealing with COVID, so maybe my nose still needs to adjust a little bit, but I want to be completely honest with you guys. I think she's beautiful. She's really, really pretty. She's a great skin scent, very cozy. I don't know how much I'm gonna wear her in like the summer, but because like we're inside almost all the time because I'm a full-time caregiver, I don't think it'll be a problem. I think she's gonna be a good bedtime scent, a good cozy up like weekend scent. I mean, I like her. She is really good. I'm gonna go ahead and spray all over me, guys, and see how we do for a little bit. But yeah, those are my thoughts so far. And guys, stick around. Like I said, I will have probably some combos coming up in a video that I do a little bit later, and then a 1 month review on her. But that's all for my first impressions for now. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment down below if you're kind of surprised by my reaction and what you thought. And if you smelled this so far, leave me a comment, share the video if you can, give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next first impression. Bye guys.
They move too fast, honey, for pictures. Not me again.